Guys, welcome back to another fun-filled video. Today I have my air purifier here, which is really dirty. It needs cleaned out. The only problem is I can't find a filter for it. So guess what? I'm going to try my trusty 40-volt leaf blower made by Greenworks. So we got to pop off the bottom area here to get to the filter. You just twist it and the filter slides out. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Check that out. Okay, so this has an adjustable dial here for the amount of airflow. I'm not gonna go full blast. We're gonna go about here. I don't want to damage anything. You guys, so you can purchase this on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description. Has a soft grip handle, comes with replaceable battery and the charger. You can get this on Amazon. And don't let the weight fool you. It feels like a toy, but it's really powerful. I've used it 6 years now. Okay, you guys, the fan is super clean, the chassis is clean, the filter is clean. Let's power it on and see how quiet it is if I damaged anything. Okay, you guys, whisper quiet, not a problem at all. Go ahead and give this a shot. This might work great for you. Have you tried this before? See you in the next video. Bye.